Hi friends, so today I will show you how to configure the Lambda function, AWS Lambda. So this is the serverless application model. So by using the AWS Lambda without provisioning the servers, so without provisioning the server computer or client's server system, so we can deploy the our code. So just to, you can focus on code, you can deploy the code by using the Lambda function. So very easy, so no need to worry about to servers and provisioning of servers infrastructure. So this everything is taken care by Lambda only. So just if your code is ready, so we can run here successfully. So very easy steps I will show you. So how to connect with Lambda within 10 minutes I will show you. Very simple and straightforward. So just to go for your AWS console, we have the 1 year free account. So this is the free service also. So go for click on function steps. So click create function. Just click on function step. So this is the Lambda dashboard. Right side you can see dashboard applications. Yeah. So just click right side you can see the create function. First we have to create the function to deploy your code, to deploy the to build to set up the CI/CD pipeline. Everything is possible by using the Lambda function. Click create function. I'm just creating the function, you can see. So we have the four methods. So other from scratch and use blueprint and container image and browse serverless app repository. So you can use any one of these four. So if you have the blueprint, yes, you can select this blueprint, you can create the Lambda function. And we have container images, GitHub container image, so connected to GitHub container image, you can create. So let me show the first option. So just or from scratch. Here you can have simple function I am running. So simple hello function, hello world. So this is the runtime. You can select C. So there are so many runtime: Net, Go, Java, Node.js, yeah, Python, Ruby. Okay, Java 8 to Node.js 10, 11, Python 3.6, another Linux platforms also available. So I'm selecting the node.js here. So coming to permission stuff, it is important. So you can create new role permission. If you have already existing permission, you can select the existing role. So if you don't have any existing role, better to go for the new one. Create a new role with the basic Lambda permissions. Okay, just create a function. Very simple. So just select the function, Lambda function, and select the project to sample project name, and then platform, select the platform and give the permission, and then click create function. It will create the your Lambda function. It start creating the your Lambda function. You can see this is the my simple hello world Lambda function. So this is my Lambda function. It will display layers. So left side you can see the triggers, and right side you can see the destinations. So you can add triggers and destination. So effect to see successfully your Lambda functional what is created. Okay, so here you can see the coding part. Click on code part. You can see the coding, Lambda function coding. So code source here. So this is the by default code display here. If you want, you can customize this code. You can edit the source code. Yeah, this is my the source code. If you click on index.js, double click, this is my sample source code. If you want, you can edit this course, this source code also. Okay, uh, just click on add tickers. You can add the to check your application. You can add the application API gateways also. So just gateway, select to application, yeah, API gateway, and create one application gateway. So I'm creating new create a new an API new gateway. So we have two types, HTTP API or REST API. You can select anyone, and security I'm selecting open as of now, and then click add. I added one ticker also to check the output. Yes, so ticker added. So you can successfully, once you add the ticker, you can test your code and you check your output of your code also. Just a minute, it's loading. Yeah, see, so This is my Lambda function. API trigger, API gateway trigger is added. Okay, so for testing purpose, you can go for the test and then give the event ID. Here, give the one event ID, event one. Okay, so and then click test. Click test. So your project is, your code is executed. So execution function C, the execution success result. So succeed. So your execution successfully run it. So you can see status code 200 and the body of the message is allo from lambda. Okay, so this is the summary of your code. So execution code, so you can deployment code, you can see all the information, build duration, maximum memory used, maximum um, hard disk size used, and logout output to the logs also you can test here. So once code executed, so you can test the code, click on API gateway, you can check the result also, you can expand the details, you can see URL, API endpoint URL. If you open new link, so it will display your web application dashboard. So this is the sample code I am running. Same way you can run your custom codes and you can customize your code. So your web server will running. It will show the your web server status. See hello from Lambda like this. Clear? So this is the simple process to create Lambda function and implement your code. So no need to bother about any servers. This is called the serverless technology in AWS. Okay. Thank you.